Hello! Good afternoon everyone! Ayan, nagbabalik si Chiralu, ang blur ng screen. Anyway, alright ngayon guys, may ipapakita lang akong nagustuhan ko. Kinuha ko siya sa Facebook, yung mga photo. Maganda po siya. Ewan ko kung ini-edit ba nila or talagang ano po yun, nature talaga nila doon. So ngayon, ipapanood ko din sa inyo guys. Napakaganda nito, kaya panoorin mo hanggang sa dulo, okay? Before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel para updated kayo sa next post ko o sa next vlog ko. Kaya, so, here we go.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes, and ain't no one in life holding me back.
Thank you so much sa panonood guys. Hope nag-enjoy kayo. Already, masabi ko sa inyo maganda. Kung sino mang may-ari nito, grabe ang ganda. Ang ganda ng gawa. Ang ganda ng pagka-picture kung totoo man siya. Ang ganda. Love it. Alright, anyway, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.